today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute cat with its butterfly friend. You start by drawing the guidelines. You can either follow the measurements that I have provided here, or you can just wing it. You can totally eyeball the proportions if you want. Then you start sketching. As you can see, you just have to follow the guidelines and map out the shapes just how I'm doing here. Don't think too much, just follow how I'm doing here and you should be good. And don't worry about scribbling on drawing lines on top of each other. Don't even worry about erasing at this point. We will pick the best lines after we have finished sketching and we want to ink it. Here I'm drawing that tiny butterfly. And I did draw a guideline for the butterfly, like just a straight line for the middle, and then I drew the wings on two sides. Here just adding a few stripes to the kitty. Just these details will make it look cuter, totally not necessary if you don't want to. Of the sketch with a few dots for the path of the butterfly. Then we start inking. So all I have done is I have taken a Tombow calligraphy pen. You can also take Picama Micron, any sketch pens, whatever you like, any black pen. And then I start picking the lines which I like from my sketch and just go over it. You don't have to think at this point, you are just picking the outline that you love. Isn't this satisfying to watch? I just love people outline things. And then I'm taking a thinner pen. You can take a ballpoint pen, but here I have taken a 005 Sakura Micron pen, and I'm going over through the details of the cat, the stripes in the body. If you want, you can even keep this as pencil lines if you don't have a thinner pen, but I'm just doing it so that I can erase all the pencil lines away. Here you see me erasing off all the guidelines, all the pencil lines, all the sketching, so that you have a clean inked drawing all ready to color. And we start the coloring process. This is very simple. I'm just taking a few sketch pens. It's actually Karin markers, watercolor brush pens, but you can totally use sketch pens, alcohol markers, watercolor, whatever you like. Filling up the parts of the bodies of a cat with yellow. This is a darker yellow. I have another lighter yellow for the butterfly, and then the stripes I'll fill it up with brown. little bit, you can see it shaking. Please ignore that.